Weight loss surgery, guarantee that your food noise will go away. My name is Shenelle. I had the gastric sleeve almost 3 years ago. And my situation is a little unique. I eliminated problem foods at the beginning of my journey and did not reintroduce them. But as somebody who works with people who have regained, I can tell you that the food noise comes back, but in various degrees based on how you go into bariatric surgery. But when people come to me because they've regained, what's going on is they never changed their diet after their surgery. They continued to be on a lot of ultra-processed foods, including protein shakes and protein bars, because despite the fact that they're like diet foods, they're actually loaded with artificial sweeteners. Depending on your metabolism and the way your reward system works, you might find these to cause you to crave other sweets, which is why we tell people, get that shit out of your fucking diet. I want to put to rest any fears that if you have the surgery, nothing will change. But you are right. You have the surgery and nothing changes, it will revert back. It's a common old story we hear here at The Rewrite. It's usually around the 18-month marker where all the light bulbs and hormones are back saying, let's eat. There's some fascinating studies they've done on this, and it actually says if you go with no sugar and then you reintroduce it back in, your body just picks up from the last time it experienced it. Exciting. Like moderation or slowly being able to reintroduce these things and have them in appropriate amounts. For most people, get that same reward system, that same dopamine high they got before their surgery, which is why I practice abstinence on my problem foods. They're no longer my problem. If you're looking to take a whole foods journey after bariatric surgery and you want some support, I have a free Facebook group, the Bariatric Rewrite private group. Come join us over there.